This poor sad face came in last week, actually about 10 days ago, and had, or longer, and has a broken mid-distal tibia. Anyway, what you're focusing on right there is a modified Thomas extension splint. Anyway, we don't use them very often, but they wouldn't let me do surgery and give me some really sexy stainless steel stuff, so ended up making him a splint. But as of today's x-rays, we're seeing a really good healthy callus. Everything else looks good. The skin where it actually goes up under the belly. Hey, show them how you walk. Hey, show them how you walk. Come on, flip her foot. Come on, what? Anyway, we'll use your own little pointer. Up inside there is not irritated. We have lost some feathers in that area, but the flipper foot here is getting ready for his canoeing contest. What, dude? That's a leg. Yeah, to make Mom laugh, I have to walk like this before she leaves. Somehow, I'm now become known for walking like this bird. How did you guys come up with that, by the way? You know, you emailing back and forth, let's make Dr. Ask you do something funny. Is that what it boiled down to?
I have no idea.
No, it just worked out that way. Or maybe it was her fault, wasn't it?
Yes.
It's her. Okay, all right, I like that. Throw her under the bus. Cool. Anyway, so Thomas extension splint. There's actually a circle right here that the leg actually goes through. The feet are actually rolled up into a ball of some soft cotton and stuff inside of here. We actually take the feet to the cotton, keep it through there, and as you can tell, it kind of the little metal bars across are protecting them from keeping from chewing at it. You can actually see where the skin is loose, where there's no problems. The fracture actually is about right there, and we have a good callus, and it looks like it's healing pretty straight. Don't do that on camera. That's not cool. Maybe we're gonna put a decollar on you. Gotta keep my cast clean. Yeah, gotta keep it clean. So anyway, that's how Thomas extension splint works. Not really state of the art, not our favorite way of doing things, but it is a little less expensive and not as sexy as stainless steel externals, but but you gotta do what you gotta do. Actually, as you clean it, you can see where the ring goes up over the top of the leg. Anyway, all right, so not my favorite way of fixing things, but it does work. That's kind of like old school stuff. And for you veterinarians who still do this, don't take it personally. It's just the way we think. All right, that's it for now. Maybe we can put some before and after x-rays in this. We'll see how industrious I get. All right, that's it. Later. Oh, ow. Ow. Oh. Ow. You're a really nice bird.